Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will learn the third equation of motion. How can we find this relation? The 2as is equal to vf² minus vi². This is the relation for the third equation of motion. It means 2as is equal to vf² minus vi². So let's drive it. Let's try to prove that this relation 2as is equal to vf² minus vi². For this purpose, for this derivation, we use the first equation of motion. You can use the first equation of motion. As we know, the first equation of motion, is given as vf is equal to vi plus at. So we can drive this relation. This is a third equation of motion, and we have to prove this equation 2s is equal to vf² minus vi² by using the first equation of motion. This is the first equation of motion, and we have to prove this equation by using first equation of motion. So squaring on both sides, here we will squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get vf² is equal to vi plus at whole square. We will solve this equation. vf² is equal to vf². So this we will solve according to the formula a plus b whole square. This just like this is a and this is b. As we know, a plus b whole square is equal to a² plus 2ab plus b². A plus b whole square is equal to a² plus 2ab plus b². So a² means vi² plus for the formula plus 2ab, 2a and b, plus b² means here b is the a², and 2ab, a means vi, b 2ab, here b is a into t. So 2ab, this becomes vi² plus 2ab means 2vi into at plus b² means here b is at². So vf² is equal to vi² plus 2vi a into t plus at² means a² into t², a² into t². So from this equation we can note that vi² plus 2vi, here we will rationalize this equation by 2, means 2 divided by 2 remaining 1. If we put here 1, there will be no effect on the equation, so we can put 2 upon 2. 2 vi at plus 2 divided by 2 means rationalization, a² and t². vf² is equal to vi². From this equation, from these two terms, 2vi at plus 2 upon 2 a² we will get the common 2a into t, 2a, we will get the common 2a get common plus 2a get common. Here remains vi t. From here 2a remains constant. We have taken the 2a constant, remaining 1 upon 2 a t². 2a common, we have taken 2a common, so remaining 1 upon 2 a². A remain common means remaining a t² same. So this is we know this is the second equation of motion, and this is equal to s. This is equal to s, so we will put this value as s. vf² is equal to vi² plus 2a plus 2a, and this whole term is equal to the second equation of motion, s is equal to vit plus 1 upon 2 a². So we can put the s instead of this value. This is multiplied by this one, s. So we have put the value of s instead of this value, because this is the second equation of motion. vit plus 1 upon 2 a² is equal to s. So s is equal to vit plus 1 upon 2. We have put the value of s. So we gain vi² 2as, or we can write it as 2as is equal to vf². This is the term here, positive term. So when we shift in this side, when we shift it to the left side of the equation, it will change its sign. The sign will be converted into the negative sign, so here will be the minus vi². 2as is equal to vf² minus vi², and this is the third equation of motion. We have proved that, and it is proved. Third equation of motion. This is the third equation of motion, and we have proved it.